wardrobe means a clear mind. So if your wardrobe looks a bit messy, don't worry. Today I'll show you my simple step-by-step guide how to declutter your wardrobe and prepare it for the next season, for spring. First, take everything out of your closet. And as you do this, sort items into categories. For example,
tops, knitwear, bottoms, homeware, underwear, socks, accessories, bags, jewelry, belts, hats, scarves.
Quick note, if your wardrobe is very big and your bed or another surface is not enough for taking out everything you have out of your closet, then I would recommend doing it shelf by shelf. The key thing here is that you can see everything in front of you so you can make decisions. And also as well, again, if your wardrobe is very big, I would recommend splitting the process. For example, tops and bottoms one weekend and shoes and accessories another weekend. So this way it won't feel overwhelming.
After taking everything out, give your closet a proper clean. I usually start with my Dyson, then use a wet cloth to make everything fresh. Your wardrobe deserves a clean space. Now comes the fun part, deciding what to keep, upgrade, remove, or move for the off-season.
The first option is to keep, and obviously these are pieces that you wear often, that you love. That's easy. Upgrade means are also pieces that you really love and you wear very often, but they look overworn or faded or shabby, so you need to just make a note to replace them, and we will get back to this point a little bit later once again. Next one is my favorite, remove pieces that you need to let go, and oops, these pieces don't want to stay with me. Are basically items that are just sitting there, you don't wear them, they don't suit you, or maybe they don't fit you anymore. Just donate them or sell them. Trust me, it feels so good to let go. Maybe pile clothes you aren't sure about, and it's very tricky. So I would recommend keeping this pile small, 1 to 3 items, and you need to give these items a real chance in real life over the next couple of days. And believe me, after you style them and wear them, you know if it's time to let go, or maybe you just rediscovered your hidden gem, your forgotten gem. And I would also recommend to set a timer, for example 5 minutes per category, or maybe 5-10 minutes depending on how many clothes do you have. So yeah, and decide quickly. Do I love it? Yes or no? Do I wear it often? Yes or no? Should it go? Yes or no? Things you haven't worn in months are probably not going to be worn, so just let them go. Make some space in your closet. Next we focus on off-season items. For example, now it's end of February and I start by moving very heavy, very thick, super warm sweaters, because I know for sure I will not wear them in March. For example, this one is very heavy and it doesn't feel like spring. Or this one, it's 100% wool, so it will be too warm. Or this one, I wear this sweater only when I'm skiing. So you need to go through all of season items, all super wintry pieces, and think, will I wear this in the next couple of weeks or in spring? If not, you just move it away. For example, I move it downstairs where I store all my off-season items. I also always consider color and texture. March and April can be still pretty cold here in Europe. Of course, a couple of sweaters stay. For example, this one, it stays always in my closet because it's cotton sweater and I will wear it even in summer over dresses and things like that. For example, this t-shirt sweater is warm, but it's not too warm because it's not long sleeve. Or this sweater, it's cropped, so it's also perfect for spring. So yeah, a couple of sweaters stay with me. But for example, this one, it's not only heavy and super thick and super warm, but it's also dark brown. So for me personally, dark brown is associated with autumn and winter. So I know for sure that I will not wear it until autumn. So this sweater goes downstairs as well. And also, speaking about colors, for example, deep reds or deep greens like this, for me it's very wintry too, so it's very Christmassy, and I honestly wear them only in November and December, so yeah, they need to go downstairs as well. Leather bottoms, like leather trousers or maybe leather shorts, for me they're definitely winter or autumn only. Next example, party pieces like this sequin skirt or I don't know, 2 festive tops. They can also go downstairs. Only pull them out if needed for a specific occasion. And I also do the same with my home and loungewear, and also sportswear. For winter, autumn sets go into storage, and I'm bringing out lighter and brighter sets. It just feels fresher for spring. You should do the same process with your outerwear and shoes. Just go through them and check if there is anything you still need for chilly days in April. So the main goal here was to reset your wardrobe first, and after that you can do shoes and outerwear a little bit later. Now we are coming back to our upgrade pile. Probably my favorite part, because these are items that you love, you wear very often, and you feel confident in them. It means that this is probably the items that show you what is your style. And yeah, you can create a note on your iPhone and just write what need to be replaced, or items you want to invest into. Maybe you found out during the decluttering process that there are some items that are missing in your wardrobe, and this is a great thing to really understand what you're missing. You're welcome to check my guide and checklist on Instagram with the core staples that, in my opinion, every woman should have in her wardrobe. You can tick off what you already have and note what is missing, what you still need for your best basic wardrobe. Follow me there for more tips. And the last step would be to bring all of your spring wardrobe, your spring pieces, if you're storing them like me somewhere else, like not in your main closet. Basically do the same process with all of your old spring items. Just bring everything in one place and see clearly what you really need or you don't need. This way you create a smooth transitional wardrobe. And the funny thing, it's snowing outside right now. Very meditative to look into this window behind my camera because it's so beautiful. I even want to show you this. It's even kind of sad because I think we all very tired of winter. And that's basically it. By doing this wardrobe detox, you'll create more space for your favorite and versatile pieces. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and in part 2 I'll show you how to find your personal style and how to refresh your spring wardrobe. And we're gonna talk about trends for spring-summer season 2026. Make sure to subscribe and set on notifications so you don't miss it. Bye!